Kennedy, Simone. Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Kennedy Simone here, and I am back again with another video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to be a part of Ken's crew, because we're the best crew. So, as you can tell from the title, this is gonna be Vlogmas week 1, and we aren't really doing too many things like on a daily basis, especially just for safety precautions. I don't wanna do something every day where I'm outside or with a lot of people. So I decided to do Vlogmas. Now, we still are gonna be going up. We're still gonna be doing some interesting things. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe so you can see all of the fun things that I have planned. I know for this vlog, I want to decorate, you know, my apartment. I have a lot of stuff that I brought from home. Literally right here, I brought this whole bin of things that I got from home. So it is December 1st, day 1 of Vlogmas, and I'm just gonna try. Like, I really want to be consistent, especially coming into this new year. I just want more content and everything, and especially because like school is over now. We don't have to go back to school until February 1st. Okay, yes. I have on my little Spelman robe. I just finished getting ready. So I've gotten ready. Other than the clothes y'all saw, I am going to be filming a video that is involving me changing outfits, but I do want to put on some perfume. So I am going to show you guys a couple of perfumes that I got from Dossier. Dossier is sponsoring this video today to bring you guys some luxury perfumes at a discounted price, okay? So this is the first perfume. It is called Floral Lavender. It's the dupe for the YSL Libre perfume. So if you guys are familiar with that specific perfume, this is the dupe for it. So it should smell exactly like it. So I'm going to smell it now. I see floral and I see lavender, and I feel like I'm going to like it. So let's see. It's definitely lavender. It's definitely floral. Like, this is like the perfect name for this perfume. Also, what's cool about Dossier is that they give you a sample size of the perfume about this size, and they give you some of the perfume to try out so you can see how long it lasts, see if you like it, like the scent. And if you happen to not like it, then you can send it back as long as you don't open the full size bottle. But this is like the greatest thing ever because this is like a travel size, so you can use this as like, you know, your travel perfume or something. Dossier is definitely that brand, so definitely check them out. I will have all of their information in the description box. So the second perfume is called Floriental Orange Blossom. So this is supposed to be the dupe for the Estee Lauder Beautiful perfume. So if you guys are familiar with that, this is what it's supposed to smell like. I'm gonna spray this actually. Ooh, I like this. This is a great alternative for buying, you know, super expensive luxury perfumes, and they smell exactly like them. I'll have all the links in the description box. They have lots of deals going on, so definitely check them out. So yes. So as you can see, I have the ring light on me. I am just about to film a video. So I did this little setup right here. I'm gonna arrange it a little bit nicer, but I have this sign from like one of my dorm rooms, and it says fashions fade, style is eternal. I don't have anything on this corner stand yet, but it's fine for the video because minimal is better, just so the focus can be on the outfit. The video right here is going to be an outfits of the week video. You guys can go check it out right here. I have already posted it, so definitely check it out so you can see how it turned out. And I just have the outfits laid out as well as the perfumes that I'm going to be using in the video. So yes, I'm gonna be doing a lot of this kind of content, like behind the scenes of running a business, being an influencer, while being a student, and just a new entrepreneur series on my business channel, The Purpose Point, so you guys can go check it out over there. The link is in the description box and all that good stuff. But yeah, I just did like, this is low-key a wash and go, but I had a twist out and it was in there for about 6 days, but it was just so frizzy and just, it wasn't it. So I just, I put a little gel and some water on the ends, and as you can tell, my curls are popping 10, okay? Yes, ma'am, okay? Now it is shrunk up and it's not as like blown out as it was on Thanksgiving. I'll put a picture right here of what my hair looked like for Thanksgiving. Y'all see that? bomb, okay? I'm about to start my business. I'm about to show y'all the behind the scenes on my other channel and everything. So definitely stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff going on in the Kennedy Simone headquarters, okay? I gotta show y'all an apartment tour. I'll probably do that as a separate video, like a holiday apartment tour. And so you guys can see everything all together. So yes, I will. So I'm done with filming my videos for the day. It's probably about 6 or something now. I'm about to start decorating for Christmas, okay? I'm not gonna do the full thing today. I'll probably do the rest tomorrow because Brittany and them are coming over and I need to edit. But I don't have everything I need. I brought a bin of items back from home. Y'all, so many things. Look at how big this bin is. Like, what? So I am about to take out some of these decorations and start decorating, putting them up. Let's get started. It's Vlogmas, y'all, and we are starting off strong with the decorations, okay? So let's go. So right now, this is what my sofa looks like. Now, I didn't buy these specifically for this sofa. These are just extra pillows I had, and yeah, I didn't buy any extra pillows. So yeah, this has just been here, and this big poof of a pillow has been here, and I usually have like blankets draped, but I just took them all off. So, well, not this one, but yeah. So we're about to take these 2 pillows off. I probably may keep this one, but we gonna see. But I'm gonna take these pillows off. I have like this sign, but I need to see if I have command hooks. I think I may put this like right at the door somewhere, like in this corner. Don't mind that garment rack, that's Brittany's, but I haven't put it up yet because I don't have the wheels. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna put it somewhere right here, maybe like right here. You think this is a good place? Like right when people are leaving? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so y'all know you gotta have the black Santa. So I just put it right here by the TV. I'm going for more of a silver theme, so I decided this was the perfect one, and a little bit of gold just because that's what I have in my room already. But yes, this is so cute. So currently I have these 2 little plants by the side of my table, but I think these would be the perfect Christmas addition to what I already have. This is like almost the same, you know, vibe. So I'm gonna have these where these are. Okay, so I also put this rug down that I got from home, and yeah, I think it goes perfectly with the Christmas theme, you know, so yes. I was gonna put this at the door, but the way the door is set up, it would keep sliding. Also, I put these decorations right here. I'm not sure if these will stay. It really just needs like a Charlie Brown tree. That's honestly what it needs. Hey, what's up y'all? So it's another day. I am on the way to go to Dollar Tree with Brittany. She's over somewhere over there. There she goes. I'm about to go look for some things to get for a birthday care package, okay? So I have a friend that doesn't live in Atlanta, and I want to send them a birthday package, okay? So we gotta find the materials because I don't have any arts and craft materials here. So gonna do that. So come along, and I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas week 1, okay? Because this is Vlogmas week 1. And next week, y'all will see the full apartment tour and some more exciting fun activities that we have up the sleeves, okay?
Okay, so
it's definitely dirty, but
yes. What do we have so far?
so
we have
I'm
wrapping
getting
paper.
this wrapping paper. Favorite color is blue, so it's Christmassy, but not too Christmassy because it's still for the birthday.
Right.
Right.
Right. And I got these for for
Cute.
the people in my household. But yes.
Okay, where's it now? Okay, let's see. Come along. This is so much. I don't even know what this stuff is. I'm overwhelmed. There are just some days when everything's right with them.
You play too much.
Wishing you happiness as big as all the outdoors. Happy birthday. Yeah, like this.
Okay.
We've gotten some headway, okay? We decided to get this instead of the colored construction paper. We're going with the blue and silver theme, okay? So it's wintry, but birthday. And so, yeah, we got a card and everything. We got, yeah, the card, some, getting snacks now. So, what kind of candy and snack should we get?
Let's go that way.
Yeah.
Find a picture of the type of sunflower seeds we should get, because that's the type of sunflower seeds the person likes. So
Trying to find it now. This is a struggle.
all done.
All done. Just gotta get taped, but we got everything.
Great.
Period. All right, so we got everything. We got the package. We got the poster board, all the things that's gonna go inside, decorations. We just need the tape. Yeah, we're gonna go to Family Dollar, get the tape, and start getting it together, okay? It's a process. Brittany's here, helping me out, cause yes. All right, you guys, so I have done the flaps of the package. I take the inside, so you know, liquids or anything, I don't want nothing to see through. I'm gonna take the outside too, but this is how the base is. I'm going to just put some of this confetti stuff, because you know, every birthday gotta have a little razzle dazzle, yes, for the Zoom. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sprinkle them all in there. Ooh, so much. Ooh, ooh, it's like Halloween. Weird, but yes, it's definitely giving birthday presents, all of it. We're just gonna put the whole thing in here, yeah, why not? So this is how it looks. It looks good. It's filled and stuff. So now what I'm about to do is put the stuff in there. Okay. Okay, got the drink. I should have put that in first. Yeah, I'm gonna put this at the bottom. Okay, we're redoing, this is like a rewind in real time, because I should have put that in first. I don't know why I wasn't thinking. Right now, it's looking like this. It's a flat rate box. You get it free. I got mine from the post office. So you just get them free and then you pay the flat rate. So the flat rate for this medium size box is like $15 or $16. So yeah, so it doesn't matter the weight. So that's good. I'm gonna write in the card. I'm also gonna do the banner, but I'm gonna come back and show y'all later, because this stuff is gonna take a little bit more precision, a little bit more, you know, expertise with the crafts. I'm not really crafty, but I'm gonna have to be crafty today. So I'm going to finish it, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys with the finished product so y'all know how it looks, and then I'm gonna take you guys to the post office tomorrow to drop it off. We love gifts, love giving. It's the season of giving. Let me know in the comments what you guys are thankful for. I really want to know, because y'all know we love to chat in the comments. Ken's Crew, we always talk in the comments. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thankful for or what you're excited to give this holiday season. All right, you guys, we're about to go drop off this package. I'm with Brittany. She's back here. But yeah, so this is the package. I'm about to package it up and take it to the post office and drop it off. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this Vlogmas week 1. Stay tuned for the next one, where you'll see the Christmas apartment tour and everything is gonna be lit, y'all. Okay, stay tuned, and I'll see y'all later.
Kennedy, Simone.